Welcome to 9267 Kunker Road in Morrow. Look at this beautiful house. I could get used to having coffee out here every morning. Look at this beautiful view and this beautiful porch. So the porch is Trek deck. It's been freshly stained and the porch swing stays. So welcome to the family room of this beautiful home. As you can see, it is all wood. The custom cabinets were all handmade. All the appliances are new within the last 3 years. And the deck and the pool are right off of the kitchen area. The first floor offers 3 bedrooms. The primary bedroom is on one side of the house. The other 2 bedrooms and full bath are on this side of the house. This bathroom was just completely remodeled within the last few years. And the 2 bedrooms on the main floor are good size. Both floors have been replaced also in the last couple years. This is the primary bedroom with a big walk-in closet. And then the primary bath. This was remodeled a few years ago as well. New vanity, countertop, lights, mirrors. There's a huge walk-in shower with 2 shower heads. This house has 2 utility rooms. The first one is on the main floor, washer and dryer convey. There's a brand new exterior door that goes out into the deck. The sellers use this basement as a living area for family. So as you can see, there's a whole kitchen down here. Appliances, kitchen cabinets are all new within the last 3 years. It even has a pantry. There's also a full bath with a walk-in shower. And 2 rooms on this end of the basement that can be used for whatever you want. They do not have egress windows, but they do use these as bedrooms and walk-in closets. The basement has a second utility room and the washer and dryer stay here as well. This is another room in the basement that is a flex room. It could be a craft room, it could be a workout room, or it could be an office. Another room in the basement, and this was the seller's office. So the backyard you're going to love, but let me tell you a little bit about the exterior of the house first. All of the siding has been redone with Hardie board, and the roof as well is also new within the last 3 years. The deck was just recently stained. This beautiful 4-foot pool was installed about 3 years ago, and it comes with the solar cover to keep it warm. This is one of the seller's favorite part of the yard, is the fire pit with the slab and all the Adirondack chairs. The pole barn is 24 by 32 feet and has 200 amp service. Very little of that is being used right now.